We'll be crossing this mountain and over the snow. This is just mind-blowing.
Hey look, it says warning, track maintenance. I don't think we can do it.
Yeah, if there's a warning.
Stop it. Hey guys, so we're gonna head up to Mueller Hut today. This track is about a 8 to 10 hour track depending on your speed. It's one of the most challenging ones inside the Mount Cook Range area. Sir Edmund Hillary used this track as a practice ground guideline for his Mount Everest ascent. So yeah, this is quite a challenging track. We're gonna stay up at Mueller Hut when it gets dark and then head back down in the morning.
Dead already.
Just constant ascent.
Feeling hot and tired. I can't do it anymore.
Yeah, we're gonna keep going. Edward thinks this is the hardest, but we'll see what happens when we get up there. So we're about 80% there. The view is just incredible. This is mind-blowing. We've got Muller's Lake over there, which we went to yesterday through the Hooker Valley track. We will be heading further up and crossing this mountain. We'll be crossing this mountain and over the snow, and then Muller's Hut will be right over there.
We still got more. I don't think it's 80%, I think it's 40% more.
We made it to Muller's Hut, which is right over there. The view from earlier is actually down there. We're so much higher. We had to walk across the mountains, and there is all types of landscape here. You've got like golden sunlight hitting across the tips of those mountains. There's green, and then there's brown, there's the glacial colored waters, the turquoise, and then you've got snow right here in this beautiful red hut over here. So this is probably my favorite hike. Sir Edmund Hillary, I believe, did this hike and stayed up here in order to train for his Everest hike. Then he became the first person to ever do Mount Everest, which is insane. This was his training ground. This is just mind-blowing.